Hey, so what do you do when you're in between camping trips and you're getting ready for the next one? Well, we are currently at Winnipeg Beach and we are going to be heading off to the East Coast in a couple of weeks, but we have a bit of time to kill in between. So we thought we'd share with you today things that we do while we're back at home discovering what's around us. So join us on today's journey with Wade and Lorraine on the off-ramp as we discover things to see and do around our local area. While you're here, why don't you take the time to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell for notifications of future videos coming out, and leave us a comment. We love to hear from you, and give us a thumbs up on any video that you enjoy. Our goal is to give meaningful and timely information of how to camp affordably in the area that you live, or even on longer trips. So join us as we try to find affordable ways to camp and enjoy the world around us. So we're spending a few days here at Winnipeg Beach Campground, and we've featured before in some of our other videos, but we're spending time with family and it gives us a bit of chance to bike around, and most of our traveling today is going to be biking around the town of Winnipeg Beach. And if the rain holds off, we plan on spending some time at the beach just enjoying the water and the warm temperatures. So if you're coming to Winnipeg Beach, come for the biking. Bike around the campground, bike around the town. The streets are nice and quiet. And then take a bike ride down to Donater. And while you're here, why not stay for a concert on Saturday night at the bandstand just on the beach? Biking the boardwalk here at Winnipeg Beach is a wonderful way just to run alongside the beach and to see the activities going on in the park beside and to see the water tower in the distance. It's a great place to hang out. If you are going to bike along the boardwalk though, please take the time to bike slowly and respect others that are pedestrians on this pathway as well too. We want to protect everybody who is using the pathway. The water tower was actually designed and constructed in 1928 for Canadian Pacific Railway for the resort that used to be here in Winnipeg Beach. The water tower is 40 meters high and holds 90,000 liter capacity tank, but is no longer in service. Winnipeg Beach Campground is so close to other areas, so we can head out to Donater and go for a nice little bike ride. It's like 10-15 minutes away, taking your time. And you get to see the nice big piers that they build all around this region. To get to the piers at Donater, take the bicycle exit at the far end of the New Dips Bay and you can travel down the 232 highway. It's about 6.5 kilometers from the campground to the piers and the parks at Donater. A leisurely ride will take you about 20 minutes. These piers at Donater are actually quite famous. The water is quite shallow in this area, so to avoid the rocky shoreline, swimmers get out to the deeper water by walking across the pier. The piers themselves are painstakingly built every spring, and then just before winter comes, they take the pier down. Only the steps at the shoreline remain for the winter. And while you're camping at Winnipeg Beach Provincial Park, why not take a 20-minute drive north and head out to Gimli, Manitoba. Here you can enjoy the Gimli Marina. You can enjoy some local restaurants and local foods and just watch the fishermen on the pier. See what they're bringing in. We've seen a few nice walleye coming in already. And well, if you're not camping and you're hanging out in Winnipeg, why not join the concert series at Corden Avenue every Friday night from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Well, I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. Well, I keep my eyes out for the time of time. I keep the ends out for the time it binds. Because you're mine, I walk the line. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns. That ring of fire, that ring of fire. So well, the two of us don't see eye to eye.
Well, it was a good day spent at the Winnipeg Folk Festival, but we are tired. We're going to go home and beat the traffic of all these vehicles. And if you want music of a different flavor, come to the Rainbow Stage and join a musical under the cover of a domed roof and stay sheltered from the rain. Although my recommendation would be a cooler day or even a wintry day, come and join everybody at the Leaf and gather in the 4 different horticultural zones that you can experience. And of course, what summer day does not go by where you can't spend at least one day at Grand Beach? One of the nicest beaches in Canada. It's a wonderful place to spend time on Lake Winnipeg on the sandy shores. Our vintage leisure travel van is now heading east. Our trip will take us the southern route around Lake Superior, cutting across through Sault Ste. Marie and then heading to Ottawa, to Gaspe Bay, and then eventually to Nova Scotia and New Brunswick. Join us next week as we start to share the journey and our experiences traveling through US and Canada. Until then, hold your plans loosely.